Add text to anywhere on your creation canvas by accessing the media palette and then clicking on the yellow text button all the way to the left. Once you've clicked it, the text box will appear on your canvas and you'll be able to move it anywhere you need. Resize the text box by clicking any of the red buttons that are all around the text box, and even control the rotation of the text box itself. When you're ready to add your text, double-click and start typing. If you'd like to change size or font or style or alignment, go ahead and highlight it and then start experimenting and see what looks good. The best thing about Buncee 3.0 is that you'll be able to add multiple lines of text with different fonts, different sizes, different style, and even different alignment, as well as lists all inside the same text box. So you can create an amazing report using one text box on one Buncee and make it look really amazing. And to go even further, add color by clicking on the color icon and then clicking on the bottom prefixed colors, or choose from millions of colors by sliding the button right here on the slide in the middle, or adjust the darkness, lightness, or brightness of the color by clicking around on the color gradient at the top here. Adjust something called opacity by making it more see-through. And just like any other item on the creation canvas, you'll be able to add audio and links to your text as well. In addition, you'll be able to control your layering just as you are with any other item on the canvas. So you can send it to front or to back as you need. So make a great text box and use different sizes, different fonts, and use lists all within the same box. And check out my list right here, How to Be an Astronaut. I even included a tiny disclaimer here. So make it great and make it with Buncee and show us what you can do. And also check out our other great videos about using all the great features in Buncee 3.0.